I'm going to show you two small script to clear the uh, clock from the Firefox database and optimize it to make Firefox where SQLite binary resides. This could have been written in much better fashion. I just wrote it randomly one fine day, and it will run the SQLite command vacuum. Okay, and it ends up. Okay, so basically it will clear the clog out of the Firefox database, which is maintained by Firefox to keep all this stuff. Okay, so and let me show you. So Control X for D. Sorry, Control X for D. Okay, so another one is if I close now, if I F and if I write FF, now another one is just to create the optimize the internal Firefox database. This is one of the script. This script was written way back when Firefox has a serious memory consumption issue. It still has, but it was severe. So I had to run this script time to time to clear out the stuff and make Firefox run a little faster. So these are the steps I took to as you can see, this is the same command which I have commented out somehow, and to so I have measured after the measured the size after running the vacuum, and I've taken a measure before running the vacuum. Okay, so these lines are intentionally commented out because sometimes I do not open Firefox, but I wanted to run it on the specific directory. And as you can see, there is a program called CPU limit. As I said, this script was written many months ago, and I used to use this CPU limit program to limit the RAM usage of Firefox because it was so memory hungry and so inefficient. So I have to restrict its operation to a certain amount of RAM use, otherwise the system was getting clogged or freeze by running it. And I have tried other variant of Firefox that time also, which probably I'll show you in some other video. But this is how I think this is a better example. This is what it does. It get into a profile directory. Directory means where the Firefox stuffs are loaded. This is a pretty standard location. This is nothing special. So everyone is having this kind of location in their machine, and this is just a rudimentary spit out. Then if the Firefox is currently running, just kill the instances and then getting into the profile directory, then make sure I'm in the right directory. Then I run a for loop to clear out just to make sure how much it will take the the size of it, and then I ran because I commented out this one, because if you uncomment this, you could be running the script from anywhere else. And I was doing specific stuff, so let me this is more generic, so it found out that where the Firefox stuffs are, and it's supposed to be under Firefox. Okay. This is the place all the SQLite files are located. This is specifically for this path is specifically for my machine. Your machine stuff would be quite different, but this still Mozilla Firefox, this portion is almost similar to everyone else. The last part could be different to you, and what it does, it just check out the name, which is having a SQLite extension, then exit the SQLite binary, and with the vacuum argument. Then I again checked out the size of the database, of the Firefox database, and then I'm leaving the last portion. As you see, commented out, I was using a different software for different reason. Okay, so let me try to run it. I don't know whether it will be working or not. So Control C, Control X, and if I run it, that's okay. What's the big deal? So it says it is having 134 M of total. Okay. Coffee is the source of inspiration. Okay, so let it run for some time, because it is cleaning the clog. I hope it will benefit or trim out some storage occupied by this SQLite file content, and let's wait, let it run. I'm also running a system update on other workspace that might be slowing down the stuff. This is what I'm running, so that's why it might get a little slowed up. Let's see how much storage it reclaimed to make Firefox runs faster. As I mentioned, the script was written many months ago due to severe memory consumption by Firefox, and I was sitting as usual in a low powered machine, and while firing Firefox gobbles up all my RAMs and all this stuff, so the machine became inoperable that time. So I had to run this script time and time again, to clear up the clog which is getting accumulated in Firefox related database. And you can see on the left hand side bottom there are a few commented lines because I kicked out Firefox in a background mode. That's all right, but the last 3 lines, that there is a program called CPU limit, which is nothing but basically restrict the usage of CPU. Firefox gobbles up my machine CPU like anything, so I limited it to a certain percentage that time to run Firefox on the machine. Otherwise the machine was getting clogged or freezed. So this was a kind of dirty measure that time to just to make the machine operable while running Firefox. I don't know, more probably I'm sitting on a better machine or having more memory, so Firefox still consumes a lot, but it is operable. I can ignore if it is running. I mean, the machine become powerful or I'm having a better spec. My SQLites are pretty fatty, so it takes some time to get cleaned up. So you have to have the patience to see through this screen, or you can skip ahead if you want. So it's up to you. I do not edit my videos, so I keep it as it is because I record my videos at one go, and I use FFmpeg, and I do not use any video editing software to do anything. So all my videos are all live, so nothing edited. So it's finished. You can see it's streamed down from 134 megabyte to 117 megabyte. Okay, so I can safely now cancel it. So it is running a cleanup right now. So by running this script, I gained 17 M of megabyte of memory from Firefox internal database. Okay, so as you see, so I gained 17 megabyte of memory by running this script. I think this script is uploaded in one of my repository. If it is not there, I'm certainly going to post it up in the admin script repository on GitHub and give you the link to this script in the description section below, so you can pull it up and play it with yourself. I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.